There's three kinds of cold call as a recruiter, and if you're not sure what they are, you can't choose the most effective route to market and the most successful way to build your desk. So let me explain. The first is going in with a consultative call where you're finding out about the prospects and it ultimately leads to a high quality job order. The second is where you're leading with a highly desirable candidate to blow the damn doors off, and that will hopefully produce either an interview and placement, or alternatively a no thanks, not quite right for us, which takes you into a high quality job order. The third, and my least favourite by far, unless you do it right, is going in after an open vacancy. Now, if you do it right, it can lead to, guess what, a high quality job order. But if you do it wrong, it will just lead to chaos, frustration, and at best, horrible low fees.